South Korea's benchmark KOSPI continued its record-breaking rally during trade today while raising the market capitalization of the local bourse to over 8,000 trillion won. Our Baek Ju-hee reports.
Chip heavyweights, including Samsung and SK hynix among others, powered the KOSPI to yet another historic breakthrough on Friday, with the benchmark index touching 9,300. However, the upward momentum slowed in the afternoon as institutional investors locked in profits, dragging the KOSPI down 0.03% to close at 9,050.42. This record-breaking rally sends Korea's market capitalization above 8,000 trillion won, or approximately $5.2 trillion for the first time ever. The market has added another 1,000 trillion won in value in just 26 trading days after crossing the 7,000 trillion mark in May. SK hynix surged to a fresh milestone, hitting a market capitalization of 2,000 trillion won, or around $1.3 trillion. The country's two chip giants once again fueled the historic session. Investor sentiment was heavily boosted early on by overnight gains in U.S. chip stocks and use of technology partnerships in the global semiconductor industry. With this fresh record, the market capitalization gap between SK hynix and Samsung has narrowed to around 120 trillion won, or around $86 billion. Initially, retail investors and foreign buying supported the morning momentum. However, institutional investors led the afternoon cooling period by offloading a massive 1.2 trillion won, or around $800 million. As the index faced a cooling period after the morning surge, it raises questions over whether this upward momentum can be sustained.
In the second half of this year, the stock price will be corrected in the sense that there will be a raise in interest rate by the Bank of Korea on the one hand, interest rate on the one hand, and exchange rate on the other. I think are two basic kind of factors that we have to take into consideration.
As the historic 8,000 trillion won milestone demonstrates the growing global clout of Korea's tech sector, experts note that maintaining stability amid high market volatility will be the key challenge moving forward. Baek Ju-hee, Arirang News.